In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Facebook Pixel from Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to disconnect the Facebook and Instagram sales channel so that the associated pixel is no longer tracking activity on your store. Let's get started by opening your Shopify dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage multiple Shopify stores under the same account. Once you're on the main Shopify admin homepage, you'll see the familiar layout with your sidebar on the left and your store overview in the center. We'll be working from this dashboard the whole time, so keep it open in a tab. From here, look over to the left-hand side menu and find the section where your sales channels and apps are listed. You should see an option labeled Facebook and Instagram, which is the official Shopify channel that connects your store to Facebook for ads, shops, and tracking. Go ahead and click on Facebook and Instagram to open its settings and overview page. When that page loads, you'll see details about your integration with Facebook, including things like your connected account, data sharing settings, and any active features. What we want to do here is access the menu that lets us manage or remove the channel entirely. To do that, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, which usually indicates more options. Click on those 3 dots to reveal a small drop-down menu. In that drop-down, you'll see an option labeled Uninstall. This is the option that removes the Facebook and Instagram sales channel from your store, and with it, the Facebook pixel that was installed through this integration. Click on Uninstall. Shopify will then show you a confirmation window or pop-up to make sure you really want to proceed, because uninstalling a sales channel can affect your marketing and tracking. In the confirmation window, you'll see a checkbox that states you understand the risks of uninstalling the sales channel. This is Shopify's way of warning you that you might lose some data or functionality, such as tracking for your ads or shop features on Facebook and Instagram. Take a moment to read that note so you're fully aware of what you're doing, and when you're ready, click on the checkbox to confirm that you understand. Once that checkbox is selected, the final step is to actually complete the uninstall. You'll see another uninstall button in the pop-up. Click on Uninstall again to confirm your choice. Shopify will now remove the Facebook and Instagram sales channel from your store, and as part of that process, the Facebook pixel associated with this integration will no longer be active on your Shopify site. After a moment, the channel should disappear from your